Hey, what's going on? It is DJ MOJOE here at Quail Ranch in Simi Valley. This video goes out to all the engaged couples out there who's looking to get married here at Quail Ranch or looking for venues down here in Southern California. Today, I'm here for Carla and Gabriel, and I'll be walking you through what it's like to have a wedding here from a DJ perspective. I have other videos on this venue. If you're interested, I'll leave it down in the description below. But I'm excited for you today. This is going to be an update video of me DJing here. Today is June 28, 2024. And this is a beautiful spot down here in Southern California, gorgeous property, and I'm excited to walk you through this wedding. By the way, for those people who don't know me, I'm DJ MOJOE, a professional DJ down here in Southern California, specializing in weddings and private events, and I'm all about good music, good vibes, and good energy. So I'll be walking you through the different setups that we have going on here today and walking you through the guest experience and how I'm involved to making that happen for Carla, Gabriel, and their guests. So right now we're gonna start off with the setup down below. By the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram and check out what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram at DJ_MOJOE. All right, so we have some time right now. Let me show you the setup of what we have going on down below at Quail Ranch. So right where I'm at, this is the lower part of the property here at Quail Ranch. Normally this is the area where we will have the ceremony for couples, but for Carla and Gabriel, they got married elsewhere, and right here is a holding area. Right now it is about 4:15. This is the area where we're going to hold guests with some refreshments and just some activities down here until it is time to welcome them up to the upper area of the property for the cocktail hour. So right now I have some background music, people are hanging out, they're catching up with some friends. This is a great area to hold guests until everyone and everything is set up in the upper property of Quail Ranch. So in terms of my setup today, I have just one speaker that carries and spreads out through the whole space. We have some really good drinks from Command Performance, and we're gonna enjoy some delicious food here today. So right now, we won't invite guests for another 45 minutes or so, and then I'll have my DJ setup for the cocktail hour where I'll be spinning music, setting the vibe early, and getting the party started. Oh, one more thing. By the way, Quail Ranch is awesome. They are on point with everything. Down here at the lower property, they already provided a power supply and power outlet for me, so it's easy to know where I put my gear and set up my sound. So they have that, and they also provide an umbrella for any musicians, for any DJ equipment, for any gear, so everyone is cool and there's no malfunctions with any of the equipment. So here I am at the cocktail hour area. This is a nice spot for guests to enjoy drinks and appetizers. This is happening on the lawn at the front part of the property. And the cocktail hour is not only here at the lawn, but also the roundabout around the tree where there's a bar, there's gonna be a photo booth, and also my DJ setup where I'll be playing some music. Now what's really great about this is that since ceremony is happening elsewhere, we have guests down below as a holding area. At 5 o'clock, we'll be welcoming everybody up here, but this is a great opportunity for the wedding party, for the couple to take some photos of the property. And this is a great opportunity for shots. There's gonna be a great opportunity for photos, for any videos, while everything is where they need to be. So without any guests, they can really get the footage that they're looking for and that they want. So this is great. So at 5 o'clock, we'll invite people up the giant steps leading up to this part of the property, and then I'll be playing some music. Now this venue, since I'm in the front, to make sure that it sounds great in the back, I actually have a third speaker and I'm running wireless sound. It sounds great up in front, but as sound travels, the volume diminishes fast. So we want to make sure that the sound is balanced. That means I don't have to turn up the volume up here just for the people in the back to hear the music or the announcements. So I'm running wireless sound using my Shure P9RA receiver, using my Shure PSM900 transmitter, and I'm running through my digital mixer. So I'm able to control what exactly goes out to that speaker. So I'm able to control the levels of the music versus the microphone volume. So over there, I put priority on the microphone, and then I lower the music output to that speaker. So it sounds really great, it sounds balanced, so wherever you walk around the space, it's very clear and it's very immersive, and that's the experience that I want from my guests, where they can hear things clearly without the volume or sound being overpowered. You want to make sure that people are able to talk among themselves, so it's very important to understand the venue and understand what's going to be needed to make it work. So here I am on the steps. This is a great place to make any announcements. You know what? Because if I speak from the dance floor, the people in the back can't really see who's talking. From right here, you are already setting yourself as a great position to talk to everybody. The moment they hear someone on the mic, first of all, their first reaction is, who's talking to me? Who's speaking? So position-wise, this is a great spot. I recommend for MCs to at least start off right here, and then they're more than welcome to walk around the venue space. But right here, you can see everybody. You can see the table 13, table 11 in the back, and table 14 in the back. So you have everyone's attention, and they know who's talking to them. I really like this spot, and this is where we're going to have the grand entrance here today. And behind me is my DJ setup. I'm rocking my video DJ booth from Toadmatic. I'm up here on this nice platform, and I have something special with me today. This is something that the couple requested. It is a disco ball. It is a 20-inch disco ball, and it has a rotator that's plugged in, and the rotator gradually or slowly spins the disco ball around. This is a great position because the sun is hitting it, and it's creating that cool disco ball effect even in broad daylight. So that's really good. I'm also rocking my LD Maui 28G2 speakers. It sounds amazing. It covers this whole area, and it sounds really clean and clear. And I also have a slideshow on my TV booth. Now it's a bit hard to see because of the sun, but as the night progresses, it'll become darker, and guests could see the slideshow that I put together for Carla and Gabriel. It's something that they share with me on a Google Drive, and I'm able to put together a slideshow. We also have a surprise slideshow. We got a compilation video from the Philippines, so I'll be playing that later. And I also made slideshows for the father-daughter dance and the mother and son dance. So when they come up here, they're also going to see a very nice slideshow of their parents. A really nice touch. Just know that every wedding is different, and this is one of the options that we can do to not make it your wedding fun. Of course, we're here to have a good time, but also make it memorable, emotional. And I'm there to help you or all of my couples to really dive deep in the wedding planning and see how we can help bring out those memories, those emotions, and make it more memorable and personable for you, the couple, and your guests. So that's one of the things I do here. It is about time to invite guests up, and I'm about to DJ the cocktail hour. So I hope you're enjoying this so far. You get to understand what it's like over here. This is a beautiful venue down here in Southern California. This is Quail Ranch. But right now, join me as I DJ the cocktail hour.
some noise for Carla and Gabriel.
And they call in a curse.
Fellas, and 1, 2, 3. Everyone gather around. Carla and Gabriel, bring your thumbsticks. Put them up, put them up. Everyone, let's clap it up.